So this might be one of the first battery security cameras that I've used that doesn't miss the moment you actually need. This video is sponsored by Reolink, and today we're taking a look at their new Atlas PT Ultra. It's a 4K battery powered camera with full colour night vision and one feature that honestly changes everything. Let me show you. Most battery cameras only start recording after motion is actually detected, which means you often miss the first few seconds that triggered the recording. With this one, you actually get 10 seconds of pre-recording. So instead of seeing someone already halfway across the frame, you actually capture what's happened just before they appeared. For deliveries, driveway access, or anyone approaching your property, this makes a massive difference. In terms of hardware, this is a 4K enabled camera with pan and tilt, so you've got much better coverage than a fixed camera. The battery pack inside is also seriously chunky. Reolink quotes up to 500 hours of battery life, but that's in an ideal, low activity scenario. If you use this pre-recorded feature heavily, which I recommend you do, then that battery will drain in about 4 to 6 days of constant use. This is why the solar panel isn't just an accessory for this camera, in my mind it's a requirement. Build quality feels solid, and because it's battery powered, installation is much easier than running mains or PoE. In the box you get the camera itself, a wall mounting bracket, and fixings including wall plugs, which is a nice touch. A user guide, a security sticker, and a strap so you can mount the camera on a tree or a post if you prefer. Installation is simple in theory. Install the app on your phone, put your memory card into the camera, and you're good to go. When I first powered mine on, it didn't do anything other than show a flashing red dot on the camera. Despite leaving it for a few minutes, I ended up plugging it into a USB outlet and factory resetting it, pressing the power button quickly 3 times, and then it responded. So my advice here, connect the camera to a power source to charge it before you power it on to start the installation process. It will save you the headache I just had. Power the camera on via the button underneath the rubber cover next to the USB charging input. It should make a chime and then perform a self-test with the camera rotating back and forth. You need to install the app on your phone and then open the app, scan the QR code on the bottom of the camera, follow the on-screen prompts and connect to your Wi-Fi, and then let the camera fully charge. I suggest that while you're waiting for it to charge, have a little play with the app. It's pretty self-explanatory to be honest. There's also comprehensive controls in the settings. You can change the pre-recording time from the default 10 seconds, or if you're using the optional solar panel like I'm doing, you can set the camera to record 24/7. You can live view, pan and tilt, check alerts, download 4K clips, and set detection zones, all directly from your phone. This makes it easy to check everything even when you're away from home. If you do get stuck, the Reolink website has plenty of guides. Once it's fully charged, you are ready to install it into your final position on the supply bracket, or if you prefer, mount it via the tree strap. This is where it gets really practical. You can mount the camera pretty much anywhere you want it to view, and place the solar panel somewhere else up to 4 meters away. If you use one of the optional extension cables, you can have the panel a good 8 or 9 meters away. Night footage is where cheaper cameras usually fall apart, but this one uses full colour 4K night vision with LEDs, which is genuinely impressive. I live in the countryside, so the footage is all the more impressive as there's no streetlight glare in the sky. Instead of the usual black and white infrared look, you're actually able to see useful detail like vehicle colours and clothing or animals moving about. For a security camera, that's incredibly important. For me, this works really well for things like keeping an eye on our rear garden and livestock. You can even use it as a wildlife camera if you wanted, or as a discrete security camera. Because it's battery powered, it's much easier to place in awkward areas. Reolink also do this camera in a black finish, so you've got the choice of either having black to have it blend in and not be noticed, or having the white option and have that as a deterrent. In real world use, the battery performance is going to depend on how many alerts and recordings you get. But with the solar panel attached, it becomes very close to a fit and forget system. That's really where this setup makes sense. Overall, this is probably the most practical battery camera I've used, mainly because it fixes the problem of missing the start of events, but also allows the flexibility of an all-in-one 24/7 recording system without needing external NVRs. Overall, once I got past the rocky start, this actually turned out to be a very capable camera. The biggest strength here, without a doubt, is the image quality, especially that colour night footage. It's simply outstanding. It makes a massive difference compared to the usual black and white you get from a lot of cameras at night. On top of that, if you're using it in detection mode, having that pre-record feature before activation is a really nice touch because you don't want to miss what's actually triggered the event. And then there's the flexibility. Being battery powered and with the optional solar panel means you can pretty much stick this camera anywhere. And if you've got enough sunlight, you can even run it as more or less a 24/7 recording camera without ever needing to touch it or run cables to it. That, combined with how easy it is to set up and move around, makes it a really good option for places where running cables just isn't practical. Now, it isn't perfect. Setting up in my case was a little bit of a pain, but once it was up and running, it's been solid. So if you're after something with strong image quality, proper nighttime performance, and the flexibility to install it pretty much anywhere, this camera does make a lot of sense. Big thank you again to Reolink for sending me this device to try. If you want to check out the Atlas PT Ultra, the link is in the description below. Anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.